In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Affinity. So this is actually super simple. Let me just guide you through it. The first thing you have to do is, of course, have an image you want the watermark on, and then you want to go to the Vector Studio, click on this artistic text tool over here, and just type in whatever you want your watermark to be. I'm just going to type in watermark. Okay, just like this. So whenever you've done this, there's of course a bunch of different things you can do to actually create a watermark. However, the easiest thing I do think is to basically just hover over this text, and then you can go to the blend mode over here. So on the right hand side inside layers where it says normal, click on it and click on overlay. When you do this, what's going to happen here is, as you can see, it's basically going to take the color of the background and kind of overlay it over the text. So wherever I put this, it's going to basically change. It's pretty cool, honestly. And then to actually finish the watermark, what I would do is just basically decrease the opacity. So go here on the right hand side, decrease the opacity slightly. So that's of course up to your personal preference. I'm going to do to like, I'm just going to make it 35 right now, and then what you can move it whatever you want on your screen. So for example, let's say I'm going to move it down here to the bottom, it's going to look like this. If I put it here, it's going to look like this. So it's up to you wherever you put it. Just make sure you actually really decrease the opacity and put it as overlay, or you could try any of these other blending modes. And then to actually make it the watermark inside the image, just go ahead and select both these layers. So the first one, hold down your shift key, the second one, right click, and then click on merge selected, and this is basically going to make it an image that has a watermark on it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.